OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Opendoor stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down and more so for the next week and onward. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years. And look, I'm not even exaggerating. It's all on my YouTube channel. No one else has come even close. Even my absolute call out on OPEN, it was, again, so on point. Here's the before. So is this, am I supposed to kind of show you this video here is made 21 hours ago? Let's check. Yeah, it was 1:67 at the time. It was 3:37 p.m. 21 hours ago, and the next day we ultimately just absolutely did exactly that. Now, unironically, I'm still looking to double down on this. How that's going to look like, well, I'll just mark out the top here, and in a very real way, the only thing that's going to make me buy is the price pulling back down here into my demand zone and then giving me some sort of a double break. You know what I mean? Easy. So I will obviously continue to keep you updated. This is how my OP and stuff is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.